Daily Learning.
Hi, it's me again. Today, I want to share a little story about my very first day at high school. Was kind of a mess, kind of fun, and definitely something I'll never forget. Stick around till the end, because I'll also give you a list of useful English words from the story that you'll definitely want to know. Let's get started. My first day at high school. I still remember my first day at high school like it was yesterday. I woke up super early even though I barely slept the night before. Actually, I was both excited and nervous, which is probably why I kept tossing and turning in bed. After forcing myself get out of bed, I put on my new uniform and checked myself in the mirror 100 times. It looked okay, I guess. My mom insisted on taking pictures before I left, which was kind of embarrassing, but I let her do it anyway. She even shouted,
"Good luck, honey."
as I walked out the door like I was going to war or something. When I got to school, everything felt big and unfamiliar. The building looked huge compared to my old middle school. There were students everywhere, some chatting in groups, some hurrying through the hallways, and others just standing around looking cool and confident. Meanwhile, I was gripping my bag like it was my life jacket on a sinking ship. My first class was English, and luckily, the teacher seemed nice. He smiled a lot and even played some music before class started to help everyone relax. I sat next to a guy named Jake. He looked friendly and actually started a conversation with me. We talked about our favorite video games, and it felt like we had known each other for longer than 5 minutes. Between classes, I got lost more than once. At one point, I walked into the wrong classroom and the teacher was already teaching. I just stood there like a deer in headlights until someone whispered,
"You're in the wrong room."
I apologized and quickly walked out. At that time, my face burning right away. Lunchtime was kind of awkward. The cafeteria was loud and crowded. I didn't know where to sit, but then Jake saw me and waved me over to his table. He introduced me to his friends and they were actually really chill. We laughed a lot, especially when someone told a story about accidentally calling a teacher mom. After lunch, the rest of the day went by faster. The teachers gave us syllabi and talked about what to expect this year. Some classes seemed fun, but others, not so much. Math already looked scary actually, I'm not gonna lie. I also joined a line for the school club fair and signed up for the photography club, which I'm really looking forward to. By the time the final bell rang, I was tired but happy. My first day wasn't perfect, but it also wasn't a total disaster. I didn't trip, I made a few friends, and I even found my way around by the end of the day. Not bad for day one, right? I guess high school isn't going to be easy, but maybe it won't be so bad either. So yeah, that was my first day at high school. Now, as promised, Here's a quick list of important words from the story. Thanks for watching.